Hey guys, in this video we're going to be teaching you how to install the steering stabilizer on the Warp 9 vibration dampening bar mount. Let's get right into it. First step, you're going to need a 10mm socket and go ahead and remove these 4 bolts that hold the handlebar in place. Now you're going to need an 8mm Allen key to go ahead and remove the handlebar mounts. Now you're going to want to replace the original spacer with the spacer that's included in your steering dampener kit. Before we reinstall the handlebars, we need to install the post mount. First step to installing the post mount is removing these plastic tabs. Position the mount over the holes and use the provided bolts in your kit. Grab your stabilizer and put this notch on the post mount. Grab these specific bolts and use them to secure the stabilizer to your handlebar. All that's left to do is to put your handlebars back on. There you guys go. Everything is installed. Go have fun, guys.